Hey there, sunshine. So today I'm going to unbox the winter Walmart beauty box. I love the subscription box so much. I do think BoxyCharm is an amazing, one of the best makeup subscription box out there. But I think the Walmart box is a lot more inclusive for a lot of people. I know $21 every month is a lot of money, especially, you know, if you're a college student, if you're a single mom, whatever the dealio may be for you. But for the Walmart box, you get like a lot of stuff in here, and it's only $5 every quarter. And another way to think about that is you only are spending $5 every time there's a new season. So this is the winter box. So it does take like 2 months to get into the season to get the new box. I'm noticing that I'm receiving a box every 4 months, but $5, I know every single time all of the products that I have received in all of my Walmart boxes have exceeded beyond any expectations I ever had, and I have exceeded $5 in value. With that said, I do want to say that I think they just came out with a men's box. They have, this is like the teen box, and then they have one for older women. I think that's everything that I wanted to cover. Plus the boxes are really sturdy. I love using these for storage. The winter box. And this says, celebrate your beauty. Your beauty is a gift to the world. And then it says Walmart Beauty Box, like hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And all the info on where you can purchase the box. Here is what the rest of the box looks like. Well, I mean, that's not everything inside the box, but this is the second part of the wrapping. I'm pretty impressed with this month's box. The first thing that I pulled out that I was most interested in is this razor. I got a freaking razor, guys. Look how nice that is. So it's a 5-blade razor for women. Not that I think it really matters if it's for women or men. So basically, I got a razor, and it also has another cartridge in it. So there's technically 2 cartridges and a razor handle in this. I don't even know what this would have cost. I know definitely probably around the $3 to $5 mark. I bought this for myself. I think I've had this for a full year now, and my mom is so impressed with it. She has signed up for it to give to my sister. So I think these boxes make a really, really great gift. Like, you know, you have a friend you love, you have your mom you love, and you want to surprise her but don't have a lot of money. It's $5. It's really nice. Look in the side, the cartridge, second part cartridge is right there. Oh my god, there's even a suction cup. Look at that. What is this suction cup for? I guess to, this is all supposed to go in your shower. Can you guys see that? Like all of this right here in that suction cup is supposed to go like back here on this back part. So it all goes in the shower. That is so fancy. Okay, that is really, really nice. The second thing that I received is a full-sized deodorant, y'all. I was gonna buy deodorant when I went to Walmart this week, and I have to be really, really careful about the types of like beauty products and deodorants that I use, because I am allergic to a lot of things, and I'm really allergic to latex, and so a lot of deodorants, like the gel ones, have stuff in there that I'm allergic to, and I usually have a rash too. But this was something that I was actually wanting to try because I've seen it a lot in commercials. I have tried it out, so if it's a little messy looking, it's because I've used it. But this is the Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black and White Invisible Solid Antiperspirant. These 2 items right here alone freaking more than $5. So honestly, it honestly makes up the entire box. And it just has a light powdery smell. Nothing too overwhelming, because you know how I am about that. And then those were the 2 big items in the box. I was just so pumped about the razor. I was really pumped about the deodorant because, again, I think that's probably around $8 right there. The next thing that I received is this Aveeno Daily Skin Moisturizing Lotion. And I feel like they always send out Aveeno samples in every box. But, I mean, it's a lotion. It's winter. It fits in well. I don't know if you guys can see my hands, but I'm allergic to peanuts, and I had nuts. I had peanut butter the other day, and whenever I have peanut butter, my hands break out and my skin starts to peel, and I have not been able to find Aveeno. When I went to Walmart, I couldn't find Aveeno. So I was really glad when I found this because Aveeno is only everything that ever works for me. So I'm glad to get my hands back on a healing track. Really excited about getting this in my box. The next thing that I received, which I have never received in a box before, is a face mask. This is so right there. Purifying brightening peeling gel for refining and clarity. So that is really nice. I've never seen this brand at Walmart, but it says it has vitamin C and E, will give you clarifying radiance, and it will help to brighten all things that I need. Next thing that I received, love, is the Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Muscle Relief Body Wash. They're both foaming body, bath oil, and body wash. But this one is eucalyptus, spearmint, and menthol, and this one is lavender, menthol. Yeah, lavender, menthol, and chamomile. You have one more thing. So I've never heard of this either. These are La Bella. I don't know. Oh, I think they're hair. It's for hair. Okay, so this one right here is vitamin E face and body oil with aloe. Okay, Super Shine Serum with avocado oil. So are they for hair or are they for skin? Okay, this one right here says uses daily for softer, healthy looking skin. And this one says smooth a dime-sized amount on damp towel dried hair. So that's so cool. One is for your face and one is for your hair, so you can get nourishment in both all at once. I think that's really cool, and I think the packaging is really cute. What do you guys think? So for $5, I received skincare, hair care, self-care, self-love care, body wash, I guess is, I don't really know what I would put that in. Skincare, I guess I will put that in. Skincare, hygiene, skincare, and skincare, I guess we would put that in. So I received a decent amount of products. This is everything that I received. My hands are small. I hope I can fit everything in here. This is everything that I received for $5, and that's absolutely crazy, and I would highly recommend anybody sign up. I will have a link to it in my pinned comment and in my description. I would love to know what you guys think of this box. Do you guys think it's worth the $5 every season? Do you think it's better than Target's box? Do you think it's worse than Target's box? I would love to hear what you all think in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.